Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and you are watching my unboxing channel. Today we are going to be doing Glossybox with a twist. This is, as you may remember, may not, this is from the 2007 July box. I was able to pick this up, if you can believe it, for a penny. Shipping? Nothing. I'm in Canada, which is uncalled for or unheard of. I got this for a penny. I actually ordered, by accident, I ordered 4 of them. And then I ordered another one. And they shipped all 5. Yes, you heard me. All 5 for 5 cents. And they showed up on my door and I opened them up and I've given away 1. But today we're going to unbox this and then I am going to give away 1, maybe 2 boxes. We'll see how the contest goes. If I can get a lot of people, I might give away 2. But stay tuned. We'll do that afterwards. So let's open this up. So this is Tropical Beauty. I did pay full price for this box when it did come out. The box that you see here, I believe, is the box I got. I'm not 100% sure. It was a year ago. Actually, go to my Instagram. It is there. So all Glossybox have this, and it shows you what's coming in the next box. I did get the Lancome Mr. Big. It was only a small size. So in here we'll show you all the items that we got in this box and how much they are worth. So let's start. I always love these boxes. I mean, they're always packaged so beautifully. So the first thing I see here is shampoo and conditioner. I mean, we all need shampoo and conditioner. I think I remember using these and I really liked them, and I was really disappointed that they were so small because, you know, I had longer hair back then. So these are the coconut milk from Lucetta, the shampoo and conditioner, nourishing and moisturizing formula for normal to dry hair. These are, I believe, hello? These here for the full-size shampoo and conditioner are $14 each. They smell like a coconut dream. I'm not a huge coconut smelling fan, but these do smell good. So the next item I see here is La Roche-Posay Tolerant Purifying Foaming Cleanser. The full size retails for $15. This obviously is not a full size. It's a fairly good size. You'll get it's a 15 ml, and I believe the full size is, of course, this is in fluid ounces. So this is a 0.05 fluid ounces, so it's really tiny. The next item, I remember this very well. This is the NCLA Clean Up Your Act nail pad. Now it was supposed to come with nail polish remover in it. Everybody's came dry, so this has been sitting around for years, so this would be dry. But I do like it. It comes with extra tips. I just dip it into my own nail polish remover and then used it. I actually did my nails last night and work has shipped them. Go figure. I actually used the $1 Million Trust Fund that I got in Ipsy. You can go back and watch that video. I really like it. It's Canadian made nail polish, made in Montreal, I believe. And then I used Julep on my not so pretty finger, but I love Julep nail polish. I find that they are a lot more hardy than some of the nail polish out there. I do have some from NCLA, which I don't mind, but I find that nothing stands up quite as well as the Julep, but that's, again, my personal opinion. Anyway, let's move on. This is great for, you know, to stick into any gift baskets for anybody that does like to do their nails. Just helps you get around the edges. But it doesn't come with nail polish remover in it. It evaporates. Not a very good, well thought out plan, but nonetheless, it's a nice to have around. So the next item, this actually retails for $16, and this is full size. So right there. Now, if you were paying $35, that would be a good portion of your box. So this item here is a Dr. Paw Paws Multi-Purpose Soothing Balm. Full size is $10. I can tell you right now, this was one of the items I used most from this box from July. Used on your lips, you can use it on your hair to tame flyaways, you can use it on dry spots on your skin. One thing I did use it for, and I was just blown away, was, you know, when you get a really bad cold and your nose starts to crack because you're constantly blowing your nose. This, after 10 minutes of it being on, made my nose instantly, or well, not instantly, but 10 minutes later, reversed all of the cold. I loved it. I love it. And it took me forever to use it. Actually, I think I've lost the bottle and I didn't even use it all. So this will be great, especially now that it's winter. I'm sure I'll end up with a cold, or the baby will end up with a cold, and we'll be using this to help with the dryness. I also have some dry spots on my knees I'm gonna use that for. So the next item I'm not exactly thrilled about, but it is actually nice. I was really thrilled about it when I first got the box, because at the time I thought it was a really expensive brand. I am going to just rip this packaging open because it sucks getting into. So this is a Douce Glossybox. They I think custom made this for Glossybox. I'm not sure. So the following months, you got a choice between another blush palette to go in here. I actually don't mind this one. I'm not going to swatch it because I do have one upstairs, so this might just kind of go into a giveaway basket. It is nice. I like the compact. You can even take this out and put in your own, and it's magnetic, and you can put in your own eyeshadows or whatever else. I do know that I have more of the eyeshadows upstairs, and you can stick them in, and you know, away you go. So even just a case would be a nice to use just on its own. So apparently the small case is $10. The blush for it is called Mono, is $14. That's really expensive. That's $24 right there. That's, you know, that's expensive. So the last item in the box is from Erin. I found out that this is from Erin Estee, I believe, and Erin Lauder. That's the name. And this is under, I believe, Estee Lauder's granddaughter. Correct me if I have it wrong. So this is a beach cream. It's for hair and body. It says here, part skin and hair are an unfortunate side effect of sunbathing. This conditioning, subtly shimmering formula is perfect for those times and leaves it behind a delicious floral scents. I gave away this the last time because I wasn't using it. I'm glad to have it back because I'm going to put it into my routine, and it's going to be used, and I'm going to let you know how I like it. When I did try it out the first few times, I really enjoyed how thick the cream was, and how the shimmer was really nice and noticeable, but not, you know, in your face, especially for someone of my age. So I'm going to be using this all up, and I will let y'all know how I like it, or if I don't. But apparently this cream here retails for $45. Ouch. So I'm excited to use this. So anyway, I plan on giving away one of these. See, still sealed. It is the version that I just opened up, so you will get all the products in here. So to enter, and thank you for letting me unbox that and showing you what I got. So what I would like you to do is to like and share this video. Then I would like you to comment what you're most interested in using out of this box. I will use a random comment draw. It's a website I found. It picks a comment from the YouTube page, and I will draw that name. I will message you, and you will have 48 hours to claim this prize. If you don't, I will move on to the next person. If I get enough interest in this video right here, I will do two. This is only open to Canadian and Americans because shipping outside of Canada and the United States gets really expensive. So I apologize now if you are watching from a different country. I am sorry. So that's all you have to do is like, share, subscribe. Sorry, don't forget to subscribe to my unboxing channel. I know it can be a little tough to watch. I'm still trying to figure this all out, and I apologize now profusely if my videos seem a little out of sorts. So anyway, that's the first giveaway I have planned. I actually have 3 giveaways planned. So this will last a week. I will do the draw. I believe I have it. We'll have it down below on February 5th, which is next Wednesday. Next Tuesday, sorry. I forget what day it is. At 9 p.m. Eastern, I will do the draw live, possibly. If not, I will tape it and post it. So keep an eye out for that video. I will update it next week right away. So the next draw after that one. So once this one closes, I will be doing this one. As you can see, there's a bunch of items in this bag. I'm not going to tell you everything is in it, but you can see there's a mask, there's an eyeshadow, there's a primer, there's nail polish, there's a mascara, there's eyebrow gel, a setting powder, there should be an eyeliner in there. Maybe I'll throw in oh, there's a highlighter in there. Oh, there's everything but foundation and a few other things. Oh, there's the eyeliner. They're all more sample sizes. They aren't really full sizes, but there are some really good sizes in there. The mask, of course, is full size. The eyeliner actually is full size, and it will come in this little bag. This will be for my 500 subscribers. So once this contest closes, I will open up a second contest to get 500 subscribers. Once I get 500 subscribers, I will post a video showing a little bit more what's in here and what to do to win this bag. And once I hit 500 subscribers, I will pick a name out of that video, and that person will have a chance to win it. Then I plan on doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So once I get closer to 1,000, I will announce that contest. So far right now, I have decided that I will put the Tarte Parkway Princess, never used, all brand new, in there, as well as a full-size mask product in here. I'm going to try to aim to do the same thing in this box, put like a full-size eyeshadow palette, maybe a brush or two, see what I have by the time we get to 1,000 subscribers, and we'll see what I have, and I'll try to create a full face in here, except for no foundation and concealer, because we're all very different. So if you want to win this, please subscribe, hit the bell, and let me know. For, like I said, this giveaway right now, it is the Glossybox 1 cent July 2017 Volume 5 box. This is what I'll give away now. So you will get this completely free. I will ship it to you. All you have to do is like this video, share it, subscribe, and put in your comments what you are most interesting product that you want out of this box below, and I will pick a comment on February 5th or whatever the comment says below. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. Take care, everyone. Bye.